Alright, let's see if they can get it this time. Looks like the other truck is like in the park across the street, not even in the road anymore. Trying to get this guy pulled out. Making progress. Got some headway. Wheels are turning. Pretty close to the fire hydrant there even. And there he's getting all twisted some more. And I think they may have it. Hooray! Maybe he'll get stuck again in a couple blocks. Now can the other guy get off the curb? Oh, now here comes a snowplow right away. No, I thought he'd come down our street. Oh, maybe he is. Right now the driveway, well, it's garbage day, so we can put it at the curb because no snowplow can come by yet. Let's see how this goes. Get a better look when he comes back on our side of the road. Meanwhile, looks like he's possibly gonna come right back down our road and do some other stuff. Yep. You'd think he'd wait until the plow comes back on our end again, but whatever. It's cold out there. See, the plow is exiting the road. And there's the truck that continually gets stuck. Gonna come down our side now, or stay down there? I guess that street down there wasn't plowed yet either.